Wednesday 23rd October. This is the weekly chart. Previous day's low in here. We see this order block. We measure the strength of that, half point of that. Midpoint of that is a point of interest. In this previous wick, we see that we don't tap that fair value gap in here. Of what I mean, midpoint of that. We do test this. We measure this rate. Oh. Refresh. So we just did, right? So remove this, this, and now we measure this range, optimal trade entry, somewhere around here. We sweep this low. These are relative equal lows. We sweep those. We still have these open. I'll come on to that later on. That these are these here are these. Am I right? Here. I hope so. Anyway. Boom. Okay. So that's the 4-hour chart. We see in here in order in a fair value gap. With this fair value gap I'm talking about. And then this inverse fair value gap. And I'm on the hourly chart. It's a lot clearer because in here we have the 1-hour order block. So this is previous day's high. That is going to be primary sell side, as you see in here. This is the volume imbalance, that daily volume imbalance. And here I would like to see some point of resistance to draw lower even. Maybe even take out these relative equal highs. But I want to see these lows go. And now this is the 50-minute chart. This is first percentage fair value gap, the new day opening gap. In here we have a relative equal highs. We tap that out, then we go lower, and then we draw into this daily volume imbalance, then we draw lower. In here we keep drawing lower, and finally having a spooling day. And this is how it looks like then. This is the, we've seen the 1 minute, the 1 hour, the 50-minute chart. We've seen the range opening gap. We draw not even to the midpoint of that. This is exactly this formation is exactly the same, almost exactly the same as, let me check, 18 September on FOMC. It was an FOMC day. That's when we had this type of day. So in here I wanted to long to take out these. In here I went a short position already for the Monday because I was very, very short. And we see a buy side sweep in here. Then we draw into that first percentage fair value gap of Monday. We draw into that, then we draw lower. And here I could see a shift. So at 10:10 we inverse this fair value gap in here. We take out miners sell side. Let me show this outside how it looks. It looks like this. We take out that. Then we draw higher, which is feasible for then to price is spool lower, we draw lower, we draw back up into that, and then we leave with inefficiencies, and then we just barely tap that, and then just lower, 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 lower. At 12 I need to be done, so I could have just taken this trade and then I would be done. Yeah, we use that first percent for value gap multiple times this week now. And today's fair value gap in here, this one, was very, very small. Okay, then we have the S&T divergence. We have primary buy side of the Nasdaq not even tapped. In here we tapped at Thursday, 17 October, and then we drew lower. If I take the Dow in here at 10.50, we draw to that, and then we draw higher, which is an indication. Let's see, 10.30, something like that. This is the reason why I went higher, because we decided to leave that low open for the afternoon, probably could be for the afternoon, to take the primary sell side at the Dow. Okay, what I want to see is, I want to go to the daily chart now. I mentioned this multiple times. Is that I want to see an SMT at here or here, maybe even here. So that is in respect to the Dow is at this and this, and yeah, let's take this, right? So price could then take out this in here, and in the ES it can do the same, right? This low, this low, and this low. It can take out this, but on the Nasdaq I don't want to see it go then, or on the Nasdaq I want to see it go, and on the ES and the Dow I don't want to see it go. So one of those three has to diverge there. And these are the gaps. Yeah, I have to clean a little bit up what's annotated in here, but this one is relatively fresh. This one is you can see some price action in here, but the new weak opening gaps, I want to have that still. So that was it.